Welcome to Baba TV.
A, B, C, come learn with me. Candy letters in Elsa spree. Sweet and bright, all colors too. Let's learn the alphabet, me and you. A is for apple candy, red and round. B is for bonbons, tasty and sound. C is for cupcake, frosting so sweet. D is for donut, a sugary treat. E is for eclair, chocolate on top. F is for fudge, that makes you hop. G is for gumdrop, shiny and small. H is for honey, sticky for all. I is for ice cream, cold and creamy. J is for jelly beans, colorful and dreamy. K is for kiwi candy, green delight. L is for lollipop, twirl it just right. M is for marshmallow, soft and white. N is for nougat, chewy bite. O is for orange candy, citrusy zing. P is for peppermint, fresh in spring. Q is for quince jelly, golden hue. R is for rock candy, sparkling too. T is for sour candy, puckering face. T is for toffee, a caramel embrace. U is for upside down cake, frosting fun. V is vanilla fudge, sweet for everyone. O is for wafers, crisp and neat. X is for xylocandy, a musical treat. Y is for yogurt drop, smooth and cool. Z is for zebra cake, a candy jewel. Elsa waves her hand, magic in the air. Candy ABCs for kids everywhere. A, B, C, come learn with me. Candy letters in Elsa spree. Sweet and bright, all colors too. Let's learn the alphabet, me and you.
Thanks for watching Baba TV. Please subscribe our channel.